How to set a keyboard text replacement shortcut on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General. After that, scroll down and in here, tap on Keyboard. Next, tap on Text Replacement. And in here, to add in more text replacement, tap on the Add button. And then you can add in the phrase. So say I will be there soon. And then say the shortcut will be SSS. And then tap on Save. Now tap on the Add button again to add in more shortcut phrase. So here I am glad this help. For example, and then shortcut GG, and then tap on Save. So now if I go to my note and if I put in my shortcut, so there you can see it will show the shortcut in the suggestion bar at the top. And SS, S, I will be there soon as an example. And that's it. That is how you can create and set a keyboard text replacement shortcut on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.